Alright, so this is Magnus Body Rig version 4. Not a lot has changed in terms of the actual controls, but what I want to introduce you to is the new character picker for Magnus, which also has FKIK matching, right? So this rig is compatible with the FKIK matching, right? The ones before wouldn't be compatible. So definitely download this rig and replace the reference in your scenes, right? Okay. Another thing I just want to touch on, right? I've seen people doing this is, right, this main control is really just an initial placer of your character in the scene. I know you can move it, you can rotate it, you can even animate it, but you really should not be animating this control, right? 99.9% of the time, this control is just stay still, because for instance, right, if I rotate this control like that, right, where is up, right? For all these controls, up is now this direction, right? Up and down is now at an angle, right? So if you have two different poses, and right, one has this main control aligned with the world and the other pose is like this, right, all of your pivots are misaligned, right? So that's something to keep in mind, right? So I just wanted to point that out. Okay, so let's get into the picker, right? So that would be a script that you can also download, right, of a canvas. So let me pull up my script editor to open the script, right, to put it on the shelf. So I'll go Windows General Editors, Script Editor. Alright, I actually already have it open here. Alright, but what I'll do is just delete this tab. Alright, so what you do is File, Open Script, and look for wherever you downloaded it. It should be in your prefs scripts folder, right? That's where you should put all of your scripts, right? In Documents, Maya, Version, Prefs, Scripts. Alright, so I'm just going to look for the script. It's a Python file. Alright, so this is it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create a new shelf here, right? So just to the left of my shelves here, there's this kind of cog button here. I just click on that and go New Shelf. And I'm going to call this shelf Magnus. Click OK, and you see it creates a shelf here, right? I actually have, that's strange, I deleted the shelf but it came back with these same two buttons. But anyways, right, so now I'm going to save this script to the shelf. So I'm just going to click inside the tab here. Alright, and let's see, without selecting anything, let's see if it will work. So I'm just going to File, Save Script to Shelf, and I'll call this Picker. Right, so that's a standard industry name. You know, some people call them GUI pickers, General User Interface. I believe that's what it stands for. Right, so it's just something that allows you to, a window, interface that allows you to select the character. Right, so when I click on here, it should open this window, right, called Character Picker. Right, may not be this size by default, but you can, you know, size the window however you need, right? Okay, so we have a lot of buttons here. The first one is Load Main Control, right? So this is what we need to do first for the rig to be recognized, right, by this interface. So I'm just going to select the main control and click Load Main Control, right? So now you see lower down here under Selection, right, we have options: select all controls, select all fingers right, all fingers left, right? I may add other buttons afterwards here, right? So if I select all controls, right, it should select all of the controls, as you see. Alright, so it's just a one button click to select all of my controls. If I select right fingers, right? Just let me select all the right fingers, all the left fingers, right? And we'll see how that could be useful later on. Okay, so now let's get into the IK F game matching.